Right, welcome to Hezee FX Academy. How you guys doing today? Wishing you a happy new year and a consistent profitable weeks, months, and the year as a whole ahead. Okay, so today we're going to start with market structure, the basic concept of market structure. Just a quick note: over the years, I've struggled with market structure, behavior patterns within the market, and this has kept me on the ground for a long period of time till I was able to figure it out. So today I'm going to start from the basic of market structure and how I map structure on my higher time frames. And in the subsequent videos that will be coming after this, I'm going to teach you on how to find entries and exit, that is scaling down from this higher time frame to the intraday time frames, the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, the 50 minutes, to find entries and exit for your trade. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, turn on the notification for the lecture or the tutorial or the video that will be coming after. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Alright, let's go to the whiteboard. Let me show you how it is done and what to look for, what to. Okay, we know market move in three phases. Alright, we have a higher high, higher low, and higher high. Same thing, then we have a lower low, lower high, and lower low. And we have a range in market when the market is doing virtually nothing, just ranging within a zone. Okay, you wouldn't like to trade within this consolidation zone anyway. So first of all, you must identify the phases in the market. Okay, so we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low. Okay, now the market, if you must trade, the market must be trending, creating this form of structure, a kind of, right? And what are you doing? You are expecting the market to retest back to this zone, either to this zone or back down here, then take off. Whichever way is up to you. Okay, so now these are the basic concepts, the three phases of the market, and on these phases lies every other strategy you see in the forex market. Without these three, if without understanding these three phases, forget, you cannot trade. Right? You must know that when a higher high is made, more often than not, a lower low will be made and the trend continue in that same direction. Now, once you have known this, then you must know that until there is a break of structure, a higher high is not confirmed and a higher low is not actually confirmed based on me. Please, whatsoever thing I'm teaching you today is based on my own understanding and knowledge from the market. Alright, you have to do your diligent work on them. Alright, so now once you have understand these phases of the market, then comes the pattern. The pattern, these are what got you into the trade. Alright, and the patterns to consider: you have a double bottom or market failing to break below, a double top, then head and shoulder pattern, right? Okay, or an inverted or an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, now all these patterns, these four patterns here, this four, sorry, this four pattern here, all of them are signs of reversal. Are what? These are signs of reversal. More often than not, when they happen, the trend changes direction. Understand this. This is the only thing you need to trade in this market. Double bottom, double top, head and shoulder, whatsoever. Once you understand this, then you need to know the basic market breaking structure and all that. I'm going to show you how to map structure, because this is what this video is all about. All right, expecting a return back of this extension, then market break above either to 50%, either to 50% or 50 or 100, whichever way. So all these things, these are what you need. Once there is a break of structure, the market come back for a retest, then it shoot up. Break of structure, market come back for a retest, in this case either here or back down to this place, then it shoot up. All right, these are all, this is what you need. But more often than not, if you don't know how to map them correctly on your time frame, that's your higher time frame, before scaling down to your entries time frame, you cannot trade. Okay, this is more or less of a multi-time frame structure, but these are the basics. Okay, so at the end of this video, I'm going to give you one actionable thing to do. Okay, let's go into the chart and let me show you how it is actually done, how I map structure on higher time frame. All right, now here we are on 4 hourly time frame. Please, I am a day trader stroke intraday trader. My scalping is just rare. I rarely scalp. Okay, so, and every whether scalper, intraday trader, I always advise every single one of my students, make 4 hourly time frame your favorite time frame. If you must be a day trader, 4 hourly time frame must be one of your closest time frame. Okay, and this is how I do. If I should come straight or open my chart, and this is how I look at the market, or this is how I map my structure. All right, now right from what we have been saying, just look at this. We're trending all the way from here, trending down. Right now, just look at what happened within this level. A double bottom, I told you, is a sign of a reversal in the market. Then we break above. This shows that market has actually changed direction. All right, we were trending down from here, we're trending down from here, then a double bottom, then we break above. The moment we break above, the trend has changed from going down. Now we have turned into the bullish side of the market. If you don't know this, forget, you cannot intra trade. You must learn how to follow the structure, how to map the structure from your main structural time frame. All right, now we have changed structure, then wait for a higher low, take or execute a trade, take a trade, then expecting the market to shoot up. Then we break below, or we pull back, then we shoot up. Now examine what happened here again. We come below. What do you expect? You expect the market to shoot up. Now it failed to break above, now it break below. The market has changed structure. Don't make it too complicated. Okay, let's go into breaking down this simple movement here, as this is the ultimate basics. And after now, I'm going to give you just an actionable part where you go back, open your chart and start practicing on how it moves. Okay, now we'll break above the structure here, then confirming this a valid demand zone. We break above here, confirming this valid higher low. Then we break above this, confirming this valid higher low. What I need you to go to your chart to start doing right now is to start mapping zones. Okay, when it comes to mapping, this is how you map. If it is an uptrend, you map the red candle before the up movement, and if it is a downtrend, you map the green candle before the down movement, or the bullish candle before the bearish movement. Okay, let me show you. This is what I need you to do now. Go to your chart, open up your chart. Please, just a quick note, if you stay up to this moment and you enjoy the content, please consider hitting the like button as it will help to grow the channel. At the same time, subscribing in order to receive notification whenever a tutorial video is being uploaded, because this is market structure part 1. Part 2 is coming, part 3 is coming, then you are set to smash the market. Okay, back to the video. This is what I need you to start doing now. Start mapping structures. Okay, can you see the way I'm mapping? That's the red candle. The red candle before the bullish movement. The red candle before the bullish movement. Pull back, taking a buy. Now we break above this, the red candle before the bullish movement. Pull back. If it pull back, I'm taking a buy. Now, did we break above here? No. So we didn't break above here, so you cannot mark this zone as your supply zone, okay, as your low or high. So now we now break below, so you're going to mark the bullish candle before the bearish movement. For me, I'll take this. Okay, now then we pull back actually, but this is only confirmed on lower time frame. I'm going to teach you on how to get in some of these entries, because this shadow you are seeing here, this bullish candle shadow you are seeing here, it is a pullback on lower time frame or some of these intraday time frames, and I'll teach you, I'll guide you into order, but for now just take the basics. Okay, this is what you're going to do. We pull back here, we shut down. All right, this is the bullish candle before the bearish movement. Okay, then we pull back. This is the bullish candle before the bearish movement. Okay, then we pull back. This is the bullish candle before the bearish movement. Now look at what happened. We have a double bottom here again, the same thing that happened here, this zone. We now receive a double bottom here again, and I told you this is a sign of reversal. Now we break above, pull back before the bullish movement. Which candle are we marking here? The red candle before the bullish movement. This is how you adapt following market structures. This is the candle before the bullish movement. You map this candle, then we pull back into it, we break below. The moment we break below this structure, this becomes a what? Then you don't map this zone as your lower high, because it fails to break above. So you map this zone. For me, I'll just take the whole of this area as. So if you pull back into this zone, I'm taking a sell. Now look at what happened. We break above exactly this zone, the red candle before the bullish movement. This is that red candle that caused the bullish movement. Okay, we have not tapped into it. Then we pull back just a bit, then we shoot up. Where is the zone? This is the zone that caused that movement. The other block that caused the movement. This is the other block that caused the movement. Okay, now sorry, and we'll keep going. We come here, we break above, then yeah, this is just a candle pull back, then we break above here, we break above and close here, a pullback, then we take off. So this becomes a higher low and a higher high. Now we map this zone. When we come here, we fail to break above. Okay, so we map this zone because the moment we came down here, we failed to break above, then we went down to break below. So all this one between this and this is the two zones you be considering. Forget this inner structure you are seeing. It is just is within this environment, so you're not considering anything. Okay, now you now break below. The moment you break below, then this one becomes valid. Okay, but look at this structure. You start consolidating. I say in a consolidation you don't do anything, so you were not supposed to have anything to do with the market this level. Okay, so this is not a tradable zone. Now look at what happened. You now break above that zone. The moment you break above, you take the candle that caused that break. Sorry, you take the candle that caused that break. I hope you see how I'm mapping this structure. This is what I want you to do. Go to your chart. We come back, break, then we break above exactly here. So this is the candle that caused the break. Go to your chart, open it up, and start following the structures. Now, sorry, excuse me, what's up? Come on. Then we break below here. Where's the candle that caused that break? This is the candle. Then just small like this. You see what happened? We come inside, tapped inside, and we come down. Now we break above. This is the candle that caused that break. So between this zone and this zone, we have a demand zone here. Like consider, though I don't consider, then there's a break above. So this one is considered as a higher low. Then the market has been within this range since that time. Okay, so for now we are trading within this range and this range. Okay, this is how you map your structures. Now today is the second day of January 2023. If I must take a trade, to me we are just ranging within these zones. I must see a clear structure. Okay, let me take you a bit back. Let me take you a bit back. I'm going to guide you into all these lower time entries, how to find the best entry with the tightest stop loss. Okay, stick around. So this is what I want you to do now. Go to your chart, start identifying all these zones here, map these structures, because until you understand this concept, you cannot trade effectively. Just imagine, all the way from here, we break below, higher, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low. Look at what happened. We break above, then which confirm that we have actually changed structure. We now come back for a pullback. Okay, and know that this is how it moves. Now look at, let me take it out. See this movement. If you're able to get into this market from here, you've taken a great trade. Either here, sorry, oops, sorry. Either here, these are the zones you should be looking to take. Sell until you violate structure here. Mind you, the way it is violating structure, the same way it's violating structure on this 4-hourly time frame, that is how the candles are also violating structure on 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour till this level. That's why scaling, that in, like, if every of your trade is based on indicators, I'm sorry, I don't think you'll last long in this game. Okay, I don't think you will actually last long in this game, because I know indicators do lag. I've suffered with them as well. Okay, so focus your attention more on market structure. And as well, indicators are built from price action. This is price action kind of approach to market. So since indications are built up from price action, then if you understand price action, you are a step ahead. And this thing has actually scaled me from scale me in terms of understanding the behavioral pattern, how market moves each and every day, and it has given me an edge in the market. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Go onto your chart and start mapping structures like this. The next video that will come, we're going to dive from this same 4-hourly time frame down to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 5 minutes, 1 minute, and start understanding in between these zones, like the movement from here down to this place. What actually happened? How do we capitalize on this movement? Okay, how do we get into this zone? How do we sell here? How do we sell here? All those ones, the concept, everything will come in this video. So get set. I'm going to guide you from these basics to when you become so consistent and profitable with this particular strategy. If you have no strategy before, consider subscribing, because you're going to get one profitable one here in this channel. Okay, I think this should just be what I want you to do now. Go to your chart, open up your chart, and start mapping out structures and following it and see how it is done. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial on basic structure of market. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you gain anything, just hit the like button, share, and as it will help the channel to grow. So till the next lecture, peace out.